All right. First five. Court number 4. Court number 4, please start. First five, court number 4. First five. Yung mga walang uniforme dyan, ha? -5 agad. Alright, first five. Court number 4, first five. Alright, start. Di matakin, hindi na kaya eh. Alright. Yellow ball. Red na sunod. Bola ng next, red. Kasi clear position ang ano eh. Clear position ng yellow. Time. Wala ang una. 36 for rebound. Number 36 to 28. To 28. Pumasok. Pasok. Dexter, you have a new haircut, yeah? What's wrong with you? Number 44. Jump shot no good. Rebound by 62. 62 nagdi-dribble. To number 36, Layog. For 3. No good. Rebound by 54. Dala ko yung bola. Dala ko yung bola. Pero nag-warm up. Ay, where's the official ball that I bring? Kunin mo ko. Ten seconds to shoot. 91 to 36. 36 goes in. Oy! Time violation. Yellow ball. All right, 27 now. Number 27. Number 27 to number 30. Number 30, Tomera, wala. Rebound by number 2 to number 62 to 28. Number 28. Layog long shot. No good. Rebound by 91 to number 32. Ganda. Number 30 now. Peter Curry, number 30. Dexter for 3. Yes. Dexter, 3 points. (28 to 91). 91 to 62. Ganda ng pihit. Oy! Ganda. Oy! 21. Foul. 21. 2 shots. Wala ang una. Pangalawa. Wala pa rin. Oy, rebound by... Pasok! Ganda. Lakas talaga ng number 2. Picture na yan. Picture na yan. 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds violation on yellow. Number 28. To number 36. 36 to number 2. Number 2 to 62 to 36. Oy, there's a foul again. Second personal foul, number 21. Second team foul, yellow. First shot. Pasok ang una. Alright, rebound. Pasok ang pangalawa. Number 30. Peter bring down the ball. So number 54, 36 intercepted. Intercepted. Ganda, father and son combination. Dexter, tumasok, wala. Rebound by number 36 to number 28. Oy, huli-huli. Kitang-kita. Good defense by number 2. Alright, sit and part. Pasok. Number 30. Lakas talaga ng red. Number 30 for 3. No good. Dexter pumihit. Wala. Rebound by number 28. Number 28 goes in. Wala. There's a foul. Substitution ref. All right, 17 seconds to shoot. Number 27 to 54. Tomira, wala. Rebound by 62. Number 62 now. So number 28 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 44. Good giveaway. Number 58 to number 28. 27. Number 27. There's a foul. Foul on 88. Second team foul. First foul. Number 88. 27. To Bohol. Tomira. No good. Rebound by 88. Ganda ng box out ng 88. Lakas manggulang, 88. 36. Foul. 27. Blocking foul. Third team foul. Yellow. 16 seconds to shoot. 91. To number 28. To 36. 36, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by number 25. 25 to 58. Tumira ng 3, Bohol, wala. Number 27. Wala rin. Oy, there's a foul. GR, second personal foul. Wala pa. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Time out. Yellow. Time. Number 33, 36. To number 73, Pumuesto. Tumira. Short. Rebound by 44. To number 27. Number 27 now. 27 to 25 to 44. 44 to 27. Oy, nangingitlog. Nangingitlog ang gold. 91 to 88. 88 to 36. Pasok. Tumatambak na, tumatambak na. Tumatambak na ang pula. Tumatambak na ang pula. Ten seconds to shoot. To Bohol. To number 54. There's a foul, there's a foul, there's a foul. Before the traveling, there is a foul before the traveling. May tawag na, may tawag na. Relax na kayo. Relax lang. At saka may passport yung 54, nagdala ng passport. Baka ka-travel siya, may passport. Pasok ang una. Pangalawa, pasok din. '91 for 3. Oy, there's a foul. There is a foul on number 58, Bohol. 3 shots tayo, 3 shots. Naabot. Una, miss. Wala. Now on the second shot. Oy, wala pa diyan. One more. Nabitawan na yung bola. Wow, pasok. Alright, end of the first quarter. Alright, back to the ball game. Red ball tayo, red ball. Red ball tayo. Yellow on defense. Yellow on defense. Yellow. Sandali, rep, wait. Alright. Play on. Number 88. To number 73 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 44 to 27. 27 to number, wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2 to 73. 73 to 28. Number 88 now looking for a pass to 28. 28 lumusob. So 73. Oy, huling. Symbol. Pag walang pito, walang foul. Yun ang tandaan nyo. Oy, intercepted. Intercepted by number 2. Oy. Lifting violation. Carry the ball. Kinakari ang bola. Number 34 now. To 21. 21 ngayon. To number 27 for 3. Wala. 44 for rebound. Bolang-bola. Oy. Symbol po tayo. Last touch, yellow. Bola lang. Pag walang pito, means bola lang. Ganda dapat. Picturean na dapat yun eh. Tumira, yes! Number 2 now. Number 2 to 28. Oy, huling-huli. Kitang-kita. Ganda. Ganda ng interception ng number 2. 27. Number 2 to number 88. 88 to 73. Tumira ng trace. Wala pa rin. Rebound by number 54. 54 on drive. Pinasa to 21. Oy, wala. Sandali ha. Sandali. Ibalik ko muna yung shot clock. Yan yung shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 34 to number 58 for 3. No good. Rebound by lakas ni Ken. Rebound by Chu. Oy, there's a foul. Bohol. Second personal foul, Bohol. All right, back to the ball game. Number 91 to number 2. Number 2 back to 91 to 88. 88 to number 2. Ganda. Oy, there's a foul. There's a foul. Buti na lang, matigas ang ulo ni Chu. Hindi masunurin, matigas ang ulo. 2 shots. Pasok ang una. Pangalawa. Wala. Rebound by Dexta. Isa lang. Oy, intercepted. Intercepted. Oy, there's a foul. Bohol, third personal foul, Bohol. Tumama ang kamay sa anong tawag dito? Sa baraso, arm. Galing talaga. May pinagmanahan. Number 8, second shot. Wala. Rebound by 44. 44 to 34. (44 to 54). Tumira. Wala. Number 28. Substitution, ref. Ken. Tumalikod ka, Ken. That's a foul, Ken. Ken. Tumalikod. Substitution. Wala pa. Substitution. Wala pang penalty. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Pasok. You got 14 seconds to shoot. All right. 91 for 3. Yes. Ganda. Number 27 now. Number 27 bring down the ball to 25. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound by 28. 28 nagmamadali. Oy, ganda. Oy, sayang. Pasok. Number 91 now. Bring down the ball. GR 2 points. Number 36 now. Number 36. Pumasok. Pinasa sa number 2. So number 28. Lumiap, wala, lakas. Time out! Red! All right. Number 88. Number 88 to 91. 91 to back to 88 for... Oy, pinasa. 36. Pasok! Ganda. Number 27. Alright. There's a foul. There's a foul on 88. Substitution, ref. Substitution. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. 27. Pumasok. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Tumira. Wala pa rin. .34. Yes. Ganda. Ganda ng gupit ni Dexter. Number 36 to number 28. 28 to 36. Pumihit. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by 54. 54 ngayon. Nagmamadali. To Dexter. Ganda. Oy! There's a foul on number 36, Layog. Basket shot. Basket bonus. All right, ready for rebound. All right, ready for rebound. Pasok. Number 28. Number 28 to 36 to 28. Pumihit, tumira. Ay, tumira ang 62. Wala. Oy, there's a foul. Oy, sayang. Host foul, ref. 44, 44. 44 foul, 44. End of the first half. One more shot. One more shot. Charlie! Pinasa ni... Paano nito? Oy! There's a foul. Number 27 to number 30. Number 30. Pinasa sa 21. 21 to number 27. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by 62. 62 to number 73. Number 73 to 88. To 88. To number 91 to 73. To 36. 5, 4. Wala. Play on, play on. Play on. Oy, intercepted. Number 62. Oy, intercepted. Number 54, nagmamadali. There's a foul. There's a foul on number 62. 62 foul. AJ. Ah, 91, Adrian. Sorry. Number 27. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Picture na yan. Number 27. 3 points. 36 to 91. 91 to 36. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound by 44 to number 30. Number 30 ngayon. Number 21, pumasok. Play on, walang pito. 27, tumira. 54-42, lakas. Lakas ng rebound ng number 54. Humahabol na po, 25-26. Lamang ang 26. Subos for 3, no good. 54 ngayon to number 21. 21 to number 44. 44 to 27 to 54. Wala. Oy, there's a foul. Number 88. 2 shots. Substitution, ref. Substitution. 3 personal foul votes. 3 personal foul. Wala ang una. Alright, ready for rebound. Pangalawa, wala. Rebound by 21. Tumira, pasok. Lakas. Lakas ng offensive rebound by number 21. Lakas kumain ng bigas yung 21 na yan. Daming bigas yan. Number 36 to 28. To 91. To 73 for 3. No good. $73 for 3. Yan, pumasok. Malapit na. 54, pumasok. Intercepted by number 28. 28 to 91. Easy basket. Father and son combination. Parang sapsoy lang combination. 27, pumasok. Oy, there's a foul on 36. Bon Layok, ilang foul na si Bon? 2, second personal foul, 36. Next, letter na, bigay na. Pag ma-shoot yung pangalawa. Alright, ready for rebound. Wala. Rebound by 54. Oy, there's traveling violation. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Substitution muna. Substitution muna. Traveling. Nakikita po ang traveling. Number 91. 91 to 36 to 73 to 28. 28, ang ganda. Number 30 ngayon. Pumasok ang 27, nag-jump shot, wala. Rebound by 73. Oy, intercept. Wala. Oy, there's a foul and one. Ganda. Number 73, Edsel. Substitution, right? Substitution. Substitution. All right. Hermano is coming. Hermano is coming. Amigo, where have you been, amigo? 91 to... ...58, pumasok, pinasa. Long shot, no good. Rebound by Oyo. Oy, intercepted again. 30 for 3. No good. Rebound by 44. Line ball, line ball, line ball, line ball. Relax lang kayo. Relax, relax. Relax lang, relax. Number 20, 91 now, 91. Number 91 to 36. 36 to number 2. Number 2 to 73 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 37 to 21. 21 to Bohol. Ay, ganda. Red ball tayo, red ball. Bolang bola. (28) to number 36, tumira. Wala. Rebound. Cleon. There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 30. Substitution. Number 30 foul. Substitution. Amigo is in the town. Unang tira, pasok. Pangalawang tira, wala. Rebound by 91. Ganda ng rebound. To 77. Tumira, wala. Rebound by 34. To number 30. Number 30 pumihit. Tumira, wala. Rebound by 44, wala pa rin. Last touch, yellow. Number 36. Number 36 bring down the ball. Lyle for 3, no good. Rebound by 44. 34. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 to 28. 28, pumasok, pasok. Number 30 now. Number 30 bring down the ball. Intercepted by number 28 to 36. Lazy basket. One minute in the third quarter. For 3, no good. Rebound by number 28 to 91. So Amigo short. 91 for 3, no good. Rebound by number 44. 44 goes in. Layups, no good. Rebound by number 7. Time out! Time out! Wala. Rebound by 44 to number 27. 27 to number 54. Tumira short. Rebound by 44. Pinihit, wala. Ganda. Oy! Red ball tayo, red ball. Alright, number 91 to number 88. to number 28. Number 28. Number 28 ngayon to 28. Tumira ng 3. Pasok. Only two. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Only 2 points. Nakikita ng referee. Umapak. Umapak sa linya daw. Number 21 to 44. Tumira. Wala. Rebound by number 62 to number 88. Number 88 to 62. Traveling violation. Nakita po. Nakita. AJ, bring your passport next time, yeah? Bring your passport. All right, number foul. There's a foul basket. Foul on number 28. 2. Malinis maglaro si Joe, malinis. 54 bonus shot, pasok. '91 now. Pasok. So 88 na iwanan for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. Number 7 pumihit. Wala. Rebound by number 44 to 54. 54. Oy! Overexcited ang number 54. Number 91 now. 91 to 88. To number 28. Number 88, 28. Pumasok. Layup. Oy, there's a foul. Foul on number 34. Dexter. 2 shots po tayo, 2 shots. Pasok ang una. Pangalawa, pasok. Pinagbigyan na nga natin magsama-sama sila. Tapos 44, no good. Wala. Sumobra. Sobrang rebound. Oy, intercepted. Yellow ball. Tumama sa paa. Kitang-kita. Tumama sa paa. Oy, reverse layup, no good. 91 now. "15 seconds to shoot on red. 15 seconds to shoot." Pasok. Number 44. Yeah, score. So 54 pumihit. There's a 2 basket. Number 28. Number 28 now. Number 28. Intercepted by number 27. Play on. Pasok. Number 44 to number 54. Tumira, wala. Rebound by number 7. '91, pumasok. Rebound. No good. 11 seconds to shoot. 10. 5, 4, 3. Pasok. Napaganda pa. Hindi, pasok yun. Counted yun. Walang timeout. Walang timeout. Alright, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Number 27 to number 58 to 27. Pumasok. There's a foul. Basket. There's a foul on number 28. Tumunog yung bola, Choy. Tumunog yung bola. Foul, foul. Bonus shot. Pasok. Alright, 91. 91. To number 36. Number 36 to 28. 28 to number 36. To number 2. Oh, easy basket. Easy basket. Number 34. To number 27 goes in. Pumasok. Boy, pumasok. GR. Oy, intercepted. Oy, there's a foul. Substitution, ref. 36 foul. 36. Bon Layog. Substitution. 36 foul. 2 shots. Oy, short ang una. Second shot. Pasok. Number 36 now. Ganda. Number 28. To number 34 now. There's a foul. There's a foul. Ayan, ayan. Huwag niyo pangunahan ng referee. Huwag niyo pangunahan ng referee. Huwag niyo pangunahan ng referee. 2 shots. Adrian. Huwag niyo pangunahan yung referee, tol, para maganda ang laro. Relax lang kayo, relax lang kayo. Kaya doon muna, doon muna, doon muna. Huwag na maingay. Wala ang una. Pasok ang pangalawa. 36 now. Oy, there's a foul. There's a foul. There's a foul. Number 34. Son. Number 2. Intercepted by number 54. Oy! Tol, ano muna? Pet. Doon lang. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Rep, substitution. Wait. Substitution. Sino papasok, Pet? Abot. Nandun. Okay, play on. Number 21. 21, pumasok, lumiap. There's a foul. Two shots, number 21. Pasok ang una. Ready for rebound. Pangalawa, no good. Rebound by 54. Oy, there's a foul again. Number 7, Amigo. Penalty na po ang red. Pasok ang una. Pangalawa, pasok rin. Number 88 ngayon. To number 28. 28. To number 88 to number 36. Stepping on the line. Is stepping on the line. 14 seconds to shoot on red. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. There's a foul on 21. Wala pang penalty. Wala pa. Oy, relax muna. Wala pang bola. Alright, back to the ball game. Number 91. 5, 4. Tumira, wala. Pumihit, pasok. Number 27 now. Number 27. Line ball. All right, play on. Pasok. Oh. Red ball tayo, red ball. Ganda. Number 58 now. Tumira, no good. Play on, 27. Pass to 21. Pasok. Time. There's a foul. Tumira, no good. Bon, wala. Oy, no basket. 47-59 ang score. Alright. Hawak kamay muna kayo. Hawak kamay. Hawak kamay, hawak kamay. Ganun talaga. May matatalo, may mananalo.